distinction? What is the disparity? What is the correlation? Are there any sort of coordinates between frequency and amplitude? Why is amplitude loud and frequency may be soft, but yet frequency...
6B, I believe, is for darker shades. 4B is for not as dark. But I'm excited. It's a new venture, it's a new horizon, and it's art school. That would expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that's velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates. Intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation? What is the relationship between amplitude and frequency?